Now the efforts of all these people made the Britishers understand one thing, that if they wanted to keep their subjects happy whom they had conquered, they had to encourage their learning. They had to impart education in the medium that they would understand. Therefore, influenced by Jones, Colebrook and Nenthial, there started a group in India which is called as the Orientalist group. This Orientalist group in India tried to do everything to stress upon the Indian kind of learning. They said that the medium of learning in India should be in vernacular language, that is the local languages. It could be Sanskrit, Persian, Arabic. They also said that the Indians should be taught what they are already familiar with, what they already know of. And therefore, because of their efforts, madrasas and Hindu colleges were set up in this period. But there were people who opposed the views of the Orientalists. These were the Anglicists, led by James Mill. They said that the Indian learning is full of errors. And they said that the medium of instruction in India should be English, because once the Indians start learning the language English, they would actually read the finest literature in the world. They would come across such literature which is not available in India at all. Therefore, the medium of instruction should not be vernacular but should be English. He also said that it should not be what they already know should be taught to them, but the knowledge should be useful and practical. So he stressed upon scientific learning in India. Besides, he said that to civilize the Indian, English learning is very important, because once they understand English, they'll take up to English customs, traditions, way of dressing up, behaving, manners, etc. So to civilize them, he said, English learning is absolutely must. And influenced by James Mill, what happened was that now there was shutdown of madrasas and the Hindu colleges, and instead the Education Act was passed in 1835, which stressed upon the learning of English in India. So there was division of two branches over learning in India, that is the Orientalist and the Anglicist.